Hello traders, FS Pep Collector here. Today is Tuesday, June 13th, and I'm going to be analyzing the US dollar yen starting on the monthly, working my way down to the 1 hour time frame. So on the dollar yen monthly, I still think this looks like an uptrend followed by three waves down, followed by a big uptrend with a big impulsive move down. To me, it looks like an ABC correction that's already over, and if that's the case, this move up will be a correction to this move down, and it will make a lower high and it will end up continuing the downtrend. So let's take it down to the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, I am definitely still looking at this move down as a 1. I'm still looking at this move up as possibly being an ABC of 2. Now, the yen really does look like it needs to go up more, so I still think there is a possibility that it could go up to like the 61.8 before it ends up turning down and continuing the downtrend, ending a wave 2 and making a wave 3. Now, we do have CPI news for the dollar today, which is a really big news event. So if this does end up making a big move down on the dollar, then this is probably going to make a big move down too, and it will probably break structure, proving that this is the end of a wave C, and maybe at that point just continuing back down. So we really want to pay attention to the dollar today. Like I said, it looks like this needs to go up to at least a 61.8 before it ends up turning down. But if the dollar turns down, then this will turn down also. It will probably break structure, and it will probably just keep on trending down from there, maybe even ending a wave 2 at the 50% Fibonacci level and starting a wave 3. 1, 2, and 3. So let's keep going down to the 4-hour time frame. So on the 4-hour time frame, it definitely looks like we have a A, 3 waves up for a B, and a downtrend for the C. Now, even though it looks like an ABC, if this is an ABC, then this needs to continue the uptrend. If it starts to turn down and break structure, we'll know that this is not the end of an ABC, and we'll definitely start to go short, because if this breaks structure to the downside, it may prove that the wave C is already over, and it may just keep on trending down. So if we see a break of structure, we definitely want to start looking for shorts in a downtrend at the end of ABC pullbacks. So taking it down to the 1-hour time frame, like I said, today is CPI news. That's a very big news event for the dollar. And if this really was the end of a correction, which it looks like it was, then this would be making an uptrend like that. Instead, what it's doing is it's making very overlapping patterns, which does make me think even more that the dollar is going to go down today. It is going to stop breaking structure, and that it probably will just keep on trending down. So if we start to see some structure breaks, then I definitely will start looking for shorts and a downtrend at the end of ABC pullbacks. Probably going to be the end of a wave C on the longer time frames and the beginning of a wave 3. An ABC of 2, beginning of a wave 3. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel. The link for that is on the screen and in the description. Thanks and happy trading.